rise in the wings, Vikings. Let's get you flying. Toothless, they're on their way, and the launcher isn't even ready yet. I almost forgot the wings. I'm glad I checked my drawing. These wings will give you a dragon's eye view of Berk, without all the chafing from the stage. Toothless, you forgot the wings! That is not a good thing to forget. Hang on! They're coming! Toothless, are they already ready, or is it just me? Jim, watch out for the shade! Oh, nice, a barnacle nest. Yeah, this would be a great place to stop, you know, stretch your legs, smell the morning sulfur, take in the shrapnel. So refreshing. All joking aside, you really can't be here when these eggs hatch. Oh, not good. Take cover! Fire! Time! This is living! Your flying was very impressive, and I've flown with a lot of dragons. Anytime you want to head out into the skies over Berk, you just stop by. We'll be glad to fly with you again, won't we, Toothless? Yeah.